Black's Law Dictionary is the most widely used law dictionary in the world. It is, you might say, the law dictionary of record, and it has been that since Henry Campbell Black wrote the first edition in 1891. And he really wrote that edition. Black's has grown over the years. When I took it over in the 7th edition, we rewrote it once again, re-researched it and rewrote it, a team of scholars and I. And I've tried very hard over the 7th, 8th, and 9th editions to deepen the scholarship and make it just as reliable a reference work as we can have. Black's Law Dictionary is the only dictionary ever to have been used as the exclusive basis for a U.S. Supreme Court opinion. Chief Justice Rehnquist cited Black's Law Dictionary. Black's is cited, by the way, by the U.S. Supreme Court and by federal appellate courts and state Supreme Courts week in and week out. It is the most scholarly, the most up-to-date, the most reliable law dictionary on the market. This is the dictionary that every federal judicial chambers has on the shelf. This is the one that federal judges use. This is the one that states invest in for every judge. If you're a law student and you're trying to read a case book and give an accurate answer, or even prepare for an exam and know precisely what a term means, you need the most accurate and reliable dictionary you can find. And in law, that's Black's Law Dictionary. The 9th edition of Black's has some fascinating new terminology in it. It is interesting to watch the legal vocabulary develop. In the new edition, we have entries such as sit and squirm test, environmental tort, eco-terrorism, midnight judge, the friendly parent principle. There are all sorts of different doctrines from different fields of law. Some of them are rather colorful. They have to be known to be used by lawyers and legal scholars. But once a certain level of currency is achieved for a term, then we'll include it in Black's Law Dictionary. This dictionary has so much depth and so much practical knowledge of lawyers all around the country. I'm very indebted to them as a scholar that they would help the effort to make Black's Law Dictionary the most reliable dictionary, the dictionary of record. The new iPhone application for Black's Law Dictionary is very exciting. The idea that you could have a very full, elaborate, complex, richly textured book like Black's Law Dictionary available at your fingertips wherever you are on your iPhone, I think is fantastic.